Hey, everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate three-cheese pesto pizza. Let's get started. First, we're going to roll out our store-bought pizza dough. If you're feeling adventurous, you can make your own dough from scratch, but this is a quick and easy option. Now, let's slather on a generous amount of our homemade or store-bought pesto sauce. The fragrant basil, garlic, and pine nuts in the pesto will elevate the flavors of our pizza. Next, it's time to add the star of the show cheese. We're using a combination of shredded mozzarella, fontina, and Parmesan cheese. The combination of these three cheeses gives our pizza an incredible richness and depth of flavor. To add some freshness and color, let's layer on some delicious sliced tomatoes and fresh basil leaves. These will bring a burst of tanginess and a burst of freshness every bite. Now, let's finish off our three-cheese pesto pizza with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of salt and pepper. This will enhance the flavors and give our pizza a beautiful golden crust. Alright, our pizza is ready to go into the preheated oven. We'll bake it at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. And there we have it, the ultimate three-cheese pesto pizza. Look at that melty cheese, golden crust, and vibrant toppings. This pizza is a true masterpiece. Now, it's time to slice this beauty up and enjoy every cheesy, pesto-filled bite. Thanks for watching our ultimate three-cheese pesto pizza recipe. We hope you give it a try and let us know how it turned out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this. Happy cooking and buon appetito! Subscribe and thanks for watching.